essentially what my morning looks like. I have my coffee that's already made for me, and I fill out my bullet journal, which is great. Love it. But we're actually not going to talk about any of that today. My voice has a morning voice too. Anyway, so welcome to my morning. I'm gonna make something, which is weird. Apparently, you can make shampoo out of rye flour. You put it with water and it goos and yeah, and you can wash your hair. Wow, it really is morning. We're gonna have some more coffee. I wanted to make shampoo out of rye flour for a long time. It was kind of hard to get a hold of rye flour in the United States where I am. I don't know why it's so hard. All the videos that I've seen on YouTube of people making them, which I will link below, they don't live in the United States. They live somewhere else. My cat just went to the bathroom. We all have our routines. Whatever. Today I'm gonna do it for views and entertainment. Let's do it. Okay, so I have a pretty general understanding of what needs to happen here. I basically need to make the water hot. And I need to put some of this into a jar and then make it like the consistency of shampoo. Here's the problem though. A lot of the videos say to sift it first. Do I look like I have a sifter? I don't. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna like chunk it up in there, make it happen. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Making shampoo, yes. Oh, this looks like a fun object. Kind of small. Okay. Smells like clay. I think I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons to a cup of water and start there. But ideally we should end up with a gloopy substance. I'll put that there. Cooking with cat. Am I bleeding? Who knows? I probably am. I nicked myself a second ago, so if you see blood on my face, that's what's happening. I'm gonna put a cup of water in here and make it hot. Another person said I needed to be boiling. I will not be boiling. I'm gonna do it about where I do my tea water, so it's 175. It beeped. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let's see if we can get it behind my face. Ooh, well, don't fucking do that. I shouldn't have access to the internet. That's what it looks like. Great. I just poured it in there. I don't know why this is relevant, but I did it. Oh wait, maybe I shouldn't put hot water in the plastic. Is that a bad idea? That's a bad idea. That's a bad idea. Now it's in there. Great. I'm a genius. Now we put the hot water in. Okay, it smells. I wonder if you could add like an essential oil or something like that to it to make it smell good. I really don't know what I'm doing, like at all. What a fun thing for me to do. I'm not an expert, you're becoming an expert with me. So it's like chunky. I don't think I want it to be that way. I think they want it like a gloopy. It makes almost like a very runny gel non-foaming cleanser. Skincare. Okay, I don't think I'm getting very far with this. I'm gonna try shaking. Another person mentioned that they needed to shake it quite a lot to get rid of the stuff. This is pretty watery though. If I was a teen, I would definitely make a Outcast reference right now. But I am no longer a teen. So I will not make the Outcast reference. But you can make it in your head. We're improvising. We're just improvising here. I really do want to add more flour. I don't think that that's the appropriate thing to do, as much as I want to do it. And it's really hard. I'm really fighting myself. It's not even really what I'm expecting at all. I'm gonna put this mixture in the fridge to let it cool down, and then I'll try to use it to wash my hair. Woohoo! I'm not wearing my glasses. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's cooled off. It's not as chunky as it looked this morning, but it's definitely runnier than I imagined. I'm gonna try to wash my hair with it. I'm gonna take a shower. Let's go, baby. Okay. I'm back. I changed a shirt. So you know I'm clean and then my hair is wet. I have a few quick things and then I don't blow dry my hair, so I'm gonna let it dry regularly. It was kind of, I mean, it wasn't like ideal to use. It did kind of get everywhere. What was interesting, it was still so runny, but there were like these little pockets of more of the like gooey stuff that is probably the actual shampoo mixture. I think that my first run may have been much, much too liquidy, and I wish that I would have added another tablespoon of the flour to it. The actual washing with it was okay. It didn't smell as much as it did when it was warm, which was nice. I washed it one time, and then I was like, I'll just do like another really quick rinse with it. So I washed it with it twice, and then I put my conditioner on, which I love, by the way. This is the conditioner I'm using right now. It smells so amazing. It smells like really good incense is how I described it. So good. Love that. Used this, and then as I was rinsing this out, my hair felt heavy. Like not what it normally feels like when it's clean. So I was like, oh no, I don't think it cleaned my hair. So it's okay, just get through it, not a big deal. And I normally comb my hair when I'm in the shower as well. And it combed through very easily, which was nice. And I also felt like I noticed less hair coming out. Normally I lose a lot of hair in the shower. For these past 6 months, I have been losing hair in the shower way more than ever before. It's possible it could be stress related. So today in the shower, it was a little surprising to not see as much hair loss. And then I did my leave-in conditioner, and that combed through really easily too, slightly easier than normal, I'd say. So that's nice. It doesn't appear like my hair got super tangled or necessarily super dried out. The concern is, did it actually take the oil out of my hair? Did it clean my hair? Okay, so putting it up in the bun, my hair feels sticky around the root. It feels like there's something on it. Like it feels like I put something on and it stayed there instead of it being washed out. Maybe I didn't get it all out, but it feels sticky. I'm gonna go spray some rose water on my scalp too, see if that affects it. Who knew that this was gonna be a literally all day long video? My hair is almost dry, and you know what's crazy? It feels clean. I really had so much doubt earlier today. I did not expect it. It feels really soft, which is good because it's newer hair, so it should feel soft. Ooh, okay, I take that back. I'm gonna let it dry down for a little bit longer and see if something changes. It feels moisturized. I don't know if that means that it feels clean, but I'm still thinking, well, I'm not gonna try it again right now. I'm still thinking that I didn't really get the formula down. I didn't get the exact results I expected, but I have a plan to hopefully get the results that I want in the future. Welcome to Frances Science Experiments. My hair smells so good. Thanks, Hask. Thanks, Hask, for making my hair smell so good. I don't think I'm going to need to shampoo again. I think I'm probably gonna be okay. I guess it kind of worked. Bill Rye, the science guy. That's the best joke I've ever come up with in my entire life. First of all, welcome to my vlog. What's up? Welcome to my vlog throughout my apartment. It's not oily, it's just sticky. I don't think I got all the product out. I don't think I washed very well on my second layer. Like, look how, oh, it's super oily. That's not what I wanted at all. I am impressed with how well the top layer of my hair is cleaned. I just didn't, which here, let's do that. Yeah, that's better. I'm impressed with how that looks, but this is like unacceptable. And that's not drying out. That's just oil. Okay, so here's what we've learned. Basically, I need to wash all of my hair, get it really in there, go to frickin' town. 2, I do need to mix it a lot better. And I need to use more than I think I need to use, which is fine. Whatever. I will probably leave this alone for now. I'm just gonna put some dry shampoo on and live with it for another day, and I'll probably shampoo tomorrow to get the rest out. I probably will not use rye flour. I will try next time on the science corner. I'm really sad this didn't work. It's okay though. We'll get through it together. You and me. This is a science corner failure. Brought to you by Hask. Woo! Love you, Hask. You're great. Okay. Bye-bye.